This is Veo, the video generation model designed for creativity. New enhanced capabilities give you control like never before. Let's take a look. You can use a reference image, a location, a character, object, or a combination. Veo puts them together into a fully formed scene, complete with sound.
Hello, is anybody here?
Great moments don't need to end. You can extend your clips and transform any shot into a full scene. And for ultimate narrative control, define the start and end points of your shot. Veo bridges them with epic transitions. You can also reimagine any shot by adding or removing elements, from subtle details to impossible objects. Veo matches scale, lighting, and shadow for seamless results. All this with astonishing detail, real-world physics, and cinematic outputs. Bring it all to life with audio, using sound effects, ambient noise, and dialogue.
Just gotta listen.
Push creativity to new limits with Veo. Start creating today with Flow.
These breathtaking clips are generated using Google's latest AI video model, Veo 3.1, a powerful tool designed to empower creatives with cinematic-grade visuals. The journey begins on a frozen expanse, where a vibrant yellow BMW drifts gracefully across a vast ice lake under a pastel sunset sky. The camera glides alongside the car, capturing every spray of snow and gleaming reflection on the ice, showcasing the model's ability to render dynamic motion and realistic textures with stunning precision.